flood watch continues for portions of Oklahoma and northern Texas, including the following areas in Oklahoma: Carter, Cleveland, Comanche, Cotton, Garvin, Grady, Hughes, Jefferson, Lincoln, McLean, Murray, Oklahoma, Pontotoc, Pottawatomie, Seminole, Stevens and Tillman. In northern Texas, Archer, Hiller, Clay, Wichita, and Will Barger. From this evening through Friday afternoon for heavy rainfall, with total amounts by late Friday reaching 3 to 6 inches over much of the wash area. Monitor weather forecasts and information. Make plans to get to higher ground if flooding happens. The following is a river flood warning for the following counties in Oklahoma: Pottawatomie and Seminole. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flood warning for the Little River near Tecumseh. From late tonight to Friday afternoon, until the warning is canceled. At 7:30 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 4.6 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Forecast: the Little River is expected to rise above flood stage early Friday morning and crest near 11.5 feet mid-Friday morning. The following impacts are expected. At 12.0 feet, flooding to depths of 1 foot occurs over croplands, pastures, and rural roads along the river. The area affected is entirely rural and downstream of Lake Thunderbird, from near Macomb and Pottawatomie County to near Bow Lakes in western Seminole County. Disclaimer: depending on how much rain we get in the next 24 hours, this forecast may change with the potential for higher crests. Check back often for the latest updates. A winter storm watch is in effect for the following counties in Oklahoma: Cleveland, Grady, Logan, McLean, and Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a winter storm watch, which is in effect from this evening through Saturday morning. Timing: late this evening through Saturday morning may impact. Possible ice accumulation up to about 1/4 inch. Other impacts: if ice accumulation occurs, it will be mainly on trees and power lines. With brisk north winds, any significant ice accumulation will greatly increase the risk of power outages and falling tree limbs. Some bridges and overpasses may become slippery. Keep up with the latest weather information, especially if you plan to travel. An ice storm warning is in effect for the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian and Kingfisher. Ice storm warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Saturday. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued an ice storm warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Saturday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Timing: rain is expected to begin changing over to freezing rain and sleet late this evening in northwest Oklahoma, with the transition to winter precipitation spreading southeast through the warning area on Friday. The winter precipitation will persist over portions of the area through Saturday. Main impact: ice accumulations of 1/4 inch or more are likely in the warning area. Some accumulations of more than 1/2 inch are expected in southwest Oklahoma. Other impacts: ice accumulations combined with gusty north winds will increase the chances for damage to trees and power lines, which could result in power interruptions. Bridges and overpasses may become slick and hazardous, especially in northwest Oklahoma. Be sure you can take care of yourself and your family if you lose electrical power. Watch out for falling trees, limbs, and power lines. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area.